Hi, today's video we are going to look at the best AI video generator that will take text or basically a prompt and it turn that into a very impressive video. So let's get started.
Step into the world of Toyota, where quality meets affordability. Our cars are designed for longevity, fuel efficiency, and your safety. From the dynamic Corolla to the robust Hilux, Toyota caters to every lifestyle. Our commitment? Unparalleled customer service and a smooth ride every time. Discover why millions trust Toyota. Navigate to toyotacarscompany.com today. Toyota, driving the future.
That is so incredible, and the amazing thing is that only took me a few minutes to pull together. To generate video using AI, head to the following website. You can click on the card in the top right hand corner or the link down below in the description. Once you land on this page, type in your email address or join with Google. Now I can click on join with Google. Once you finish signing in, you will land on a screen that look like this, and it's really intuitive and straightforward to pull together your on video using AI. In the center of this screen, you will see a text box, and this is where you can describe the video that you would like the AI to make for you. Now, I'll type some text here. I called out that I want to create a YouTube short, but it could also be say TikTok or Instagram. This lets the AI know that I want a vertical video, but maybe you just call out YouTube, in which case you will get a 16:9 video back. You should also explain what type of video you want. I want a video that encourage people to buy a car from Toyota Cars Company. Here I also called out the duration and the length of the video. I want it under 30 seconds, so I want it pretty short, but be sure to call that out. Here I will also called out the tone of speech, so I want the language to be easy to understand. And here I will also out specific elements that I want in the video. I want there to be a call to action and send people to the toyotacompany.com. And here you can also call out what type of voice you want to have narrate your video. I want an British voice for the voiceover. Now up above, if you want some assistance with writing your prompt, you can also click on this drop down and you have different workflows, say for YouTube short, YouTube explainer, recent events video, script to video. Once you finish entering all of this in, down below let's click on this button that says generate a video. Now wait a while for this to complete. On this next screen, here you can provide a little bit of additional guidance to help with the creation of the video. Up above you can define the audience, and it already look at my prompt and it understand that I'm talking about cars company. So here I have different audience like car enthusiasts, potential buyers, and general public. So I think general public really work well. I'll select that, and down below you could also select the look and feel. Now this is a commercial, so I think professional make the most sense. And down below I can also define the platform. I want this video for YouTube shorts. I'll make sure to select that. You can always go back and edit your prompt again. Let's click on continue, and it's now generating my video. I'm excited to see what it come up with, and just like that I now have my very own AI generated video. And this is the same video that we watched in the introduction. Wow, this is so impressive. It includes a human sounding voiceover. It also has imagery and visuals that match the top track, and it also includes overlay text to help drive up retention. Now of course this is all AI generated and it may not match your vision exactly. Luckily it's really easy to make some refinements. Up above, let's start by clicking on this plus icon. This open up that prompt that we saw earlier, where you could define the audience and the look and feel and platform. You could even go back and you can modify the original prompt and take another attempt at generating a video. I thought overall it looked really good, but I do want to make some refinements. So up here I will click on the X to make refinements to this video. Down below I'll click on this button which says edit. This now open up a screen where I can edit all of the media used throughout my video. Right up here I can see a timeline of all of the stock footage used in this video, and when I click on any one of these I can see the associated script down below. And if you want to change any of the screen showing in timeline, just click on it and type here search prompt. Like I can type here cars and then press enter from my keyboard. Now scroll down to find replacement, and right here I think this video look good. When I hover over it, you'll see text that says replace. Click on it, scroll up and you can see that's now inserted this footage into my video project. I think that look a lot better. I can also upload my own media. Over here, I'll click on back to my media. Right up above, I'll click on this button that says upload media. This open up the window file picker, and over here I'll double click on our adorable logo for the Toyota car company. Back on the edit screen, click on this last screen on timeline and then hover over to logo and click on replace. Down below, let's click on the apply button. You can also use AI to make the changes for you. I can give a prompt to change the voiceover to a young and energetic American female, and let's see how that sounds. Over here, I'll click on generate and look at that we now have a new voice. On the right hand side, let's click on this export button. On this next screen, you can define the export settings. Right up above, you can select this video resolution. I find that 1080 pixel work very well for vertical videos, so I'll select that. Up above, select type of watermark. You can also indicate whether there should be a watermark on your video. With a free account, they include a watermark, and down below there's also invideo AI branding. With a paid account, you can remove the watermark and also remove invideo branding. For now, I'll go with free account, so click on stop watermark and normal for their branding, and then click on continue. Now look at that, my video has now been rendered. Over here, I can play the video. Down here, I can also share the video with others. I can download a copy and then I can share it out on YouTube or TikTok or Instagram. You can click on the hamburger menu, and here you can see a history of all of your different projects. That way you can go back, you can make additional edits. You could edit the script or you could also access your rendered video. Alright, if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more videos in future.